Hormone replacement therapy is a valuable treatment option for individuals seeking to manage hormonal imbalances and improve their overall well-being. With the rise of digital healthcare, online care for hormone replacement therapy has become increasingly accessible and convenient. These are 9 reasons why you might consider online care for hormone replacement therapy. Online care brings hormone therapy within reach, especially for those residing in remote areas or facing mobility limitations. With just an internet connection, you can access medical professionals and receive consultations and prescriptions from the comfort of your own home. One of the primary benefits of online care is the convenience it offers. Rather than traveling to a physical clinic, you can schedule appointments at your convenience, saving time and eliminating the need for commuting. Hormone therapy may be a sensitive subject for some individuals. Online care provides a discreet and confidential environment where you can discuss your concerns with healthcare professionals without fear of judgment or discomfort. Reputable online clinics often have experienced healthcare professionals specializing in hormone therapy. These experts can provide accurate information, answer questions, and guide you through the treatment process, ensuring you receive the best possible care. Online care for hormone replacement therapy typically involves thorough assessments and consultations. This allows medical professionals to develop personalized treatment plans tailored to your specific needs, ensuring the best possible outcomes. With online care, regular monitoring of your hormone levels and overall health is made more convenient. Through secure online platforms, you can easily share test results, communicate with your healthcare provider, and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. One of the significant advantages of online care is the option for medication delivery. Once prescribed, you can have your hormone medications conveniently delivered to your doorstep, eliminating the need for regular pharmacy visits. In some cases, online care for hormone replacement therapy can be more cost-effective compared to traditional in-person clinics. Online providers may offer competitive pricing, discounts, or subscription models that help make hormone replacement therapy more accessible and affordable. Online care clinics often offer comprehensive follow-up support to ensure your well-being throughout the treatment process. Whether it's addressing concerns, monitoring progress, or adjusting dosages, having a supportive healthcare team readily available can be immensely valuable. At PrimeBody.com, you can expect accessibility and convenience with an online platform that allows you to schedule appointments, communicate with healthcare professionals, and have medications delivered to your doorstep. A team of experienced medical professionals specializing in hormone therapy ensures that you receive expert advice and personalized treatment plans tailored to your unique needs. Moreover, PrimeBody.com offers competitive pricing and transparent options, making hormone replacement therapy more affordable and accessible to a broader audience. With their expanded network of specialists, you can have confidence that you are receiving the latest advancements and highest quality of care in the field of hormone replacement therapy.